The two most common questions we get about Ixuviate is how does it look after a few years and how do you remove it? Well, let us show you. We had a client bring us this Ferrari Pista a couple years ago. He didn't like the silver that was on the car when he got it, so he wanted to go with something really unique, more his style. So he's also very particular about lines and seams and edges. So we opted to go with Ixuviate paint protection spray on the full car, including the door jambs, in this really nice custom high metallic black that we did with a satin finish. Just like anything else on the market, Ixuviate is not bulletproof. Whether it's paint protection film, vinyl, or even paint, you're going to have some signs of wear and tear after a few years. So we've walked the entire vehicle, kind of checked it over for any kind of damage. The only thing we were actually able to find is going to be right here on the doors, where somebody has clearly kind of opened their door up to it, or maybe a valet or anything like that, which again is just going to be kind of normal wear and tear, whether you have something on the vehicle or not. It's very common, but now the customer is getting ready to sell this Pista, and so he wants to go back to obviously completely stock. So now we're going to show you how we remove Ixuviate paint protection spray. To show the durability of Ixuviate, we did a little scratch test area here right on this quarter panel. We did keys, we did wire brush, screwdrivers, nails, everything, just to kind of show how thick and durable the Ixuviate paint protection spray is, so that the protection is going to, or the color change is going to take the punishment, not your paint underneath. Let me show you. So as you can see, the Ixuviate has been fully removed and the car is back to its original paint. The good thing about Ixuviate is it's not an adhesive-based product, so there's no adhesive residue left behind, and there's also much less risk of any kind of damage to the paint during removal. So if you're looking for the next level in protective color change, come see us at IX Exotics.